Yes, ma'am. But there is no options. Only log on option is there.
Share your screen. Like we as we are waiting for others. Let's do
Yes.
it. You have to add your connections there, Vaishali. Vaishali, up to this I already made you to do. After that, after this only I told you to check the YouTube video. Now can you see there's a variable log on written? Next to it there's a create option. Listen me first. Hello. Go to your SAP logon screen. Now can you see there's a create option next to variable logon? Next to variable logon. Go to connections. Go to next. If you click on variable logon and if you will move further, it you have to do that same process every time. So we are adding that connection here. Now click on next. Now mention the description, system ID and application server and the instance number that has been provided to you by the support team.
Okay.
One screenshot might be there with for you. Mention the description as well.
That's it, ma'am.
Done. Now click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. Now double click on SAP G1. Maximize the screen first. Mention the user ID and the passcode provided by the support team. Create a new password. Click OK. Now, whenever you log in, okay, always use the password which you have set over there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Right. Yes, so we were in the last class, we were about to start working on our SAP systems, right? So let's first go through the navigation. Like, let me just give you a user guide of our SAP, and then we'll start creating our company. Just confirm me once you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So let's understand how our SAP system works. Yeah. So whenever you log in, this will be the very first screen you are going to get it. That is SAP Easy Access screen. Now, whoever wants to change the theme, okay, whenever you will log into your system for the very first time, then there are chances everyone will have a different themes available there. So if you want to change the theme, then you need to be on this page first of all. Here, this page is known as SAP logon page. Go to this SAP logon setting options, which is there in the left corner. Go to options, and here in the visual design, you will get an option of theme settings. So you can change your themes. Once whatever theme you want to keep, you can keep and click on apply and click OK. It will be applied. Sorry. And the theme I am using is an SAP signature theme. The most other used themes are SAP Quants theme and SAP Dark Quants theme. So you guys can use whatever themes you are comfortable. So let me log in. Yes, so now whenever you log in, this is the very first screen you are going to get here. Okay, now the first thing that you want to check that okay which version you are using, then click on system and go to status. So here it gives you the detail of our server. Okay, so it's a client 400, your user ID, your server is using which language, okay, when you last logged in, at what time you are logged in, okay, what kind of transactions it is applied, all the session manager has been managing it. Okay, now product version is, let me just click on this detail option. So here you can see what all modules or what all technical it is are there which has been supported here. So this is not for our use, so we are not going to go into deep of this, but yes, all the technicalities of our software will be available here. Now it's a installed product version. So it's an SAP S/4HANA on-premise version. The release is of 2023. That is one of the latest SAP ERP version. That is SAP S/4HANA 2023. Here it also supports the Fiori also. So we are going to work on Fiori also. That is one of the cloud version of our SAP. But in the future sessions, we are going to work on it. So through this, you can check your version. Here you can see the database which our software is using, right? So that is our HANA database. SAP HANA DB means it is using SAP HANA database. Okay. Now the very first line you guys can see here, there where it is written as menu, edit, favorites, extra, system, and help. That is known as menu bar. Okay, so this is used for the settings of our system to log off for any other options to edit it. Okay, you can see menu options are there. User menu, SAP menu will show it. Edit options to edit a new window, to add the shortcuts on the desktop. Okay, so for all these options, we use this menu bar. Then the next is, can you see this rectangular box is there? So this rectangular box is known as command field. So in this command field, we are going to mention all our T codes. T code means it's a transaction code. In a simple language, if I say, it is the shortcut keys. Okay, so I will explain you how it works. Okay, first let's understand the other thing. Now, can you see this line, right, where you are getting, this is an option. Okay, let me just get you the colors over there. Yes, so can you see this? Ignore the other part of the screen. Okay, I just want to show you the colors. So that was the reason. Now, next to the command field, whatever icons you can see, right, this line, the second line, that is known as standard toolbar. Okay, now here, this very first option is to save. Okay, if you are doing any configuration, then it is for save. If you are doing any kind of transactions, then the same option will be used as a post. This green icon is used to go back. Yellow icon is used to exit from that particular screen. Red icon is to cancel any of the ongoing transactions. I'm not saying to delete it. Okay, just whatever details you have mentioned, it will be removed from that. That is what cancel here. Then this fifth option is for the print. Sixth and seventh option is for the find option. Now, 8th, ninth, 10th, and 11th. And these four options, the very first one is to move to the first page. Second option is to move to the previous page, next page, and to the bottom page. Now, this last fourth option is a very important one. It is used to open a new GUI window. If I click on this, I will once again get back to the easy access screen. Last third option is for to generate the shortcut keys, which we are not going to do it. That is been done by the technical persons. Last second is a help, and last is to change the layout. So this line is known as second line is known as standard toolbar, and this rectangular box is known as command field, which is used to mention our T codes there. Now, this left side you can see here, that is known as navigation area. The whole part is known as navigation area, where this particular SAP menu is written, right? That is known as SAP tree. Why tree? Because all our modules are available there. Okay, before moving to modules, let's understand this navigation area first of all. Now, can you see the very first icon here in the navigation area? That is a user menu icon. Now, what is user menu? If I click on this, you can see I'm getting a menu for my user ID. This is my user ID. So what like we can say in our mobile phones we have a setting options, right? Whatever settings we'll do will be applied in our mobile phones, right? Like for an example, if any application is there, if you want to off the notification of that application, you can make it from the settings. In the same way, this is also a settings, but for my particular user ID. Now, if you once again, this particular user menu will be used by the technical consultants, ABAP and the business person. Now, let's go back to the modules. If you want your modules to be appeared on your navigation area, you have to use the second icon, that is SAP menu. So you will get all your modules. So now our module is of accounting module, right? So if I navigate this accounting, you can see financial accounting is available. Now, the third icon is a SAP Business Workplace. It's like a Gmail of our SAP. If you click on it, you can see all your inbox and outbox are there. All your bean means the bean data is there, or whatever shared pro folders are there, it will be appeared there. Here is your workplace. Okay, so it works like a Gmail of our SAP. So let's go back. Now, the fourth icon is if any frequently used things are there, right? Any frequently used options are there that you want to add to this favorites, you can select it and click on this add favorites. It will be added here in the favorite icon. Then if whatever is there in your favorites, okay, if you want to delete it, just select that option. Let's see, this is not added in favorites, so it won't get deleted. But whichever items are there in favorites, and if you want to delete it, select it and click on delete. It will be removed from the favorites. Now next icon is to change the favorites. For an example, whatever in our pieces we do add a bookmarks, right? So we have an option to customize the name of that particular bookmark. So we give the name as per our own convenience. In the same way, whatever things you have add in your favorites, if you want to change the name of it, you can change it with this pencil icon. And this last two option is to, like, basically it is used for favorites. If there are five things in a favorites, and if you want to move down and move further upwards, okay, if you want to change the serials, then you can use both of this option. So this is your navigation area. Now let's come back to the SAP tree. So first of all, whatever arrows you can see here, right, that is known as navigation. So here, whenever I say navigate, please click on the arrows. Okay, if you click on accounting, it won't work. You either do a double click, okay, or either click on this navigation. So our module is of accounting module, right? So let's navigate to accounting. Under accounting, we have financial accounting module. So yesterday, or day before yesterday, whatever sub modules which we have discussed, right? Or for the FI, all the sub modules are available. General ledger accounts, receivable accounts, payable, fixed assets, special purpose ledger, bank accounting. And the other module on which we are going to work is our controlling. So if I navigate to controlling, we can see cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal order, profitability analysis, profit center accounting. Right. So all these are the sub modules of controlling module. Now, here, if I navigate to general ledger, if I navigate to document entry, and if I execute this enter GL account document, then this is the screen on which I'm going to post my day-to-day transactions. So here I'm going to post all the GL transactions. Let's say if I want to post any journal entries, I'm going to use this particular screen. Now if I want to post, okay, let's say if I want to post any incoming payments. Okay, so double click on incoming payments. So whatever payments we receive from customer will be booked on this on this screen. Okay, so this is how all this SAP Easy Access work. Now here we have seen all the sub modules of FI and CO, and on which screen we have seen on SAP Easy Access screen. Have you seen anywhere that I showed you any configuration things to do on the screen? Everywhere, whatever we have seen, that is related to posting only. Even if I go to fixed assets, go to posting, go to acquisition, go to external acquisition, with whom? With the vendor. So here also, you are going to make the debit credit transactions only. If you scroll down, here is your details where you are going to add the debit credit notes. Okay. So everywhere we have just seen that we are entering the transactions only there. So where we are going to do the configuration. Here, if you guys remember, then here I have mentioned configuration is done on SPRO, that is an IMG screen, right? So to reach to your configuration screen, you have to use one T code. Okay, I'm keeping this page as it is. If I click on new GUI window, I will get one more easy access screen. Now, as I mentioned that here you have to mention a T code. T code is a shortcut key in our language, in your language, if I say. Okay, otherwise here it's like transaction code is like just a short command key which is used in our SAP to reach to any of your particular screen directly rather using the path. So here we have seen this path, right? So here I showed you, go to general ledger, document entry, enter GL account document, and you will get this screen where you are going to post the transaction. But if I don't want to use this path there, okay, I use this path, I use this 5 steps to reach here. I go to accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, and then I reach there. So rather using this, what I'm going to do is here itself one easy access screen only. I'm mentioning here one T code FB50 and enter system will take me directly to this particular screen. So this T code is like a short command key which is used to reach directly to any of that specific screen to perform that task. Now I want to reach to the configuration screen, right? So there we have two ways. The one is the path and other is the shortcut command key, that is T code. So let me show you the path first. So go to tools, customization, IMG, execute project, go to SAP reference IMG, and here is your display IMG screen. IMG means implementation guide. So on this screen, we are going to do the configuration. So can you see here financial accounting module is available anywhere? Because ultimately whatever configuration we are going to do, that we have to do for financial accounting module only. So that module should be here in our system. Anywhere you can see?
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
Yes, exactly. So if I navigate to financial accounting, here also all the sub modules are available. Accounts receivable, accounts payable, general ledger, bank accounting, asset accounting, special purpose ledger. And the other module which we are going to work is controlling. So here is controlling, navigate controlling. Here also all the sub modules are there which we have already seen on SAP Easy Access screen. So what is the difference? Okay, here if I go to general ledger accounting, if I go to master data, GL accounts, then preparations, click on edit chart of account list. So here I'm not getting anywhere an option to mention the debit credit details. I'm just getting an option to create a new entries. Okay, if even I click on new entries, I'm not getting any option to mention the debit credit or any amount details. So whatever options you are going to get on this display IMG screen, okay, all these options will be used to do a configuration only. Configuration is only available, configuration is only possible on this screen. Okay, so here we do have two different screens. So on the right side we have display IMG screen and on the left side we have SAP Easy Access screen. So SAP Easy Access screen is used by the end users to post the day-to-day transactions, and display IMG screen is the screen which is being used by the consultants, okay, to do the configuration and the customization. So this is how you are going to work, or this is how you will use your systems there. Any doubt in this?
What is the T code for this the IMG man? Display IMG?
SPRO. The T code is SPRO. Okay, let me
SP.
just cancel this. Now, whatever T codes are there, right? Every T codes will be worked on easy access screen only. Even the T codes are for any configuration screen or for any data entry screen. Okay, all the T codes can only be worked on easy access screen. So let me here mention a T code SPRO. This T code is known as gateway of your configuration, and it's a case sensitive, so no need to worry. Press enter, go to SAP reference IMG, and here is your display IMG screen. So yes, here we are going to use the display IMG screen the most. Okay.
These T codes will be identical across the all the
Yes,
organizations.
these are
So
the standard T codes. So every servers are going to use the same only. Even ECC version and SAP S4HANA or SAP S4HANA also has the same T codes only. So here on the column A, I'm going to mention always the T codes only. So whatever process we'll be doing from now onwards, the T codes I will be mentioning on the column A only. So SPRO is a gateway of configuration. Okay. Now, any doubt up to this?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, yeah, let me mention the path for this as well. So here SPRO will be worked on display IMG screen only. Okay. And the path I'm mentioning is on the easy access screen. So I'm mentioning here as an easy access first. So from easy access, it will be tools, customizing, IMG, execute project, SAP reference IMG, and then you will get your display IMG screen. So this is a path to reach to your configuration screen. So this is your SAP navigation. Now we are going to start setting up our company. Okay, so how we have Reliance, Tata and all, in the same way we are going to create our own company as well. So let's describe the whole thing now. Yes, the other thing. Now, for an example, if I am there on FB50, okay, that is used for GL posting. Now, if you want to go back, okay, then you can use this green option and this yellow icon to move back. Okay, but the shortcut key to go back means to reach directly to easy access screen is here in the command field. You have to mention /n and press enter. System will take you directly to the SAP easy access screen. Okay, and as I told, every T code will work on SAP easy access screen only. No T codes will work on display IMG screen. Now, for an example, mm, let me go back to FB50 only. Now from FB50, I want to create a company. Okay. And to create a company, for that the T code is OX15. So if here I'm trying to mention in the command field as OX15 and press enter, it will not give you us any kind of reaction. Okay, let me try once again OX15. No reactions will be there. But here if I mention /n and then OX15 and enter, it will take me directly to the, okay, let me show you from first. Okay, mention /n and then another T code where you want to reach is OX15, press enter. So it take me directly to the creation of company screen. So this is how you can use the shortcut keys there. So which shortcut key I used there? That take me like that allowed me directly to log off from my screen. That was /n ex. Okay, now I need to log in once again. Please note this down, this shortcut keys. Okay, I'm not going to write everything there. So first is /n, that is used to uh, go back, means go directly to the easy access screen. If you want to directly log out, okay, from your system, then either you use this yellow icon to log off or use this cross sign to log off. Okay, and the shortcut key to log off is /nex. So through this T code you can directly log off from your system. Yeah, so let's start from the setting of our company. So now, first of all, we have to decide what will be the company name, what kind of unique code we are going to give to our company, where it is located, which currency they are using, which language they are using, right? So let's create from the creation of company. So what is company? Can anyone explain me?
It's an organization unit where we enter all the financial transactions and create financial statements.
Company which is used mainly for the consolidation.
Yes, both are correct. Yeah, Shipra, these are the standard T codes. Okay, just ask Google, and he's going to give you each and everything. But no need to do that. I will be providing you guys one PDF. Not today, but after 2-3 sessions. Once let's do something first in our server. Then I will give you so that you can relate it to something. So in that, the T codes and the path, okay, both the things I will be mentioning over there. So whatever is comfortable for you guys, you can use it. Yes, so company is a group of company that is used just for the purpose of consolidation, right? For the consolidate report purpose. So now let's create a company. Okay, so let's create our company as a company name. Let's keep it as a build right manufacturing. Okay, now as I told, everything in our SAP will be identified with a unique code only, right? So here to your company build right manufacturing also you have to give a unique code to it through which we are going to identify. Okay, let me keep a short name instead of this. Global Tech. Okay, this is our company name. Now for that, we have to give a unique code. So for Global Tech, I'm giving a code of 6 elements as GT01TG. Okay, this code I'm giving to my company, that is Global Tech. Now this company is located in Mumbai and it is using the currency INR and language as in English. So now let's create this basic thing first in our system. So to create your company, the T code is OX15, and I'm also mentioning the path. See, I will mention the path and the T code for next 2-3 sessions. Okay. After that, once you get familiar with the system, okay, means with the server, I will be just using the T codes and I will be providing you one PDF from where you can get a path also. So the path is, yes, whatever configurations we do, right? The path will always start from SPRO only. Means once you reach to your display IMG screen. So path is SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, and at last define company. So here I'm going to give my company name as a Global Tech, where the unique code for my company is GT01TG. Okay, so up to 6 elements you are allowed to give it. Now let's do the creation of it. So let's use a path first. So mention here a T code, SPRO, press enter, go to SAP reference IMG, go to enterprise structure, then to definition, financial accounting, And yes, wherever you see this clock and a tick mark sign, that is known as execute here. So execute define company. Yes, now please, if you guys are using the same thing with me as of now, please don't use it. So what is this error for? Now this particular user ID you can see there, right? So this user ID and my user ID tried to open the same screen at the same time. So system has opened this particular screen for that user ID. So that user ID blocked me now. So now I need to just unlock myself, okay, and I can move further. So this is the most frequently getting error. You guys are facing this error most frequently over there. So how to resolve it? Please note these steps over there. Just copy this user ID 63 GTR 136. Click on no. Once you click on no, okay, you have to go back to SAP Easy Access screen. So for that, I'm using /n there. Press enter. Now mention here one T code SM12. Press enter. Mention remove this username. Okay, and paste the username whichever you copied it. Click on this execute search. Click on this select all option. This is the select all icon. Click on delete. System is asking, do you want to delete? Yes, delete it. So lock table is 0. Now click on new GUI window and follow the same process. SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and execute define company. So what is the name of the screen? Change view for internal trading partners overview. So here you are going to create your companies. You can see other users have created their companies over there. So some has created it with the unique code 1, some has created with 2, 3. Okay, so up to 6. 6 is the maximum limit. Okay, so up to 6 you can create it. Now let's go to new entries as I want to create a new company. So the very first thing they are asking is a company. Means here you need to give a unique code for your company. So unique code I'm giving is GT01TG. Okay, this is a unique code for my parent company. Then what is your company name? It's a Global Tech. Now here if you want to mention the detailed address, okay, of your company, then you have to mention it. Otherwise, as of now, it's not mandatory, but I'm just mentioning it. So street I'm just mentioning as a Sigma IT Park. PO box as a 40059. Postal code is 40059. PO box number I don't know as of now, so I'm just mentioning any 6-digit code over there. City I'm mentioning it as a Mumbai. See, in city you have to mention the details manually. There is no search option for these 4 details. Okay, but when it comes to country, you can go to the search option and pick your own country. So mine is India. Language key, for language key also you can go to the search option and pick your language English. Currency also you can go to search option and pick INR. So here I mention a unique code for my parent company, that is GT01TG, where the name of my parent company is Global Tech. The detailed information I mentioned, the address Sigma IT Park, city Mumbai, country India, language key English, and currency is in INR. Now we need to click on save. So this is our save option. Click on it. So when you click on save, you will get this pop-up over there. What is this pop-up for? Can you relate it anywhere?
Transport request.
Sorry?
Request.
Transport request, yes. And which kind of transport request it is?
Change request. Change request.
We had two types of request, right? Transport request.
Customize.
And customizing request is used for what purpose?
Configuration.
Customization request, it is a type of request that captures the client dependent configuration changes. And client dependent means it means the data or configuration that is stored separately for each and every company. So here for Reliance the configuration will be different, for Tata the configuration will be different, right? So that is the reason system gave us a pop-up for the customizing request. Now, as I told, there will be a request number generated, right? So this is not a request number for my company. Okay. Now, whenever you guys will do it, there will be a chance that this request number and short description will be blank. Okay, so if it is blank, then also it is fine. Or if anything has been appearing over there, right? Any numbers or any name has been appearing over there, then also it is totally fine. What you guys have to do in both this scenario, when you create your company for the very first time, you have to create your own request so that whatever configuration you will do in the future, it will be saved in that request over there. So click on this create request option. Give a short description. Whatever you want, you can give there for your own recognition. Okay, so whenever you want to search it, then with this particular name, you can search it. So I am giving same as my company name, Global Tech, and click on save. So one new CR will be generated. That is A4HK 902788. This is a request number for my own company.
It means we have to create this information in server only one time, right?
Yeah, whenever you create a company, at that time you will do it. And now it's your what we can say, the you are going to have a group of companies, right? So you will have multiple company codes. So now whenever you will create a company code, now after this we are going to create a company code. At that time also you have to create one new CR. So whatever configuration you will be doing in the company code Reliance Trend, it will remain in that CR only. Then when you will start a configuration for Reliance Digital, then once again you will create one new CR so that whatever configuration you will be doing for Reliance Digital, it will be saved in that particular CR only. So two times you have to create a CR. Okay.
Okay. It
Now,
means if we in future same company we need to add some entries in same company. So in that case we have to just search the company code
in
and
that
that.
case, we have to search the CR. Okay, in this
Okay.
CR, we are going to make the changes. Means we are going to
Okay.
do the configuration.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. So click on OK. So my new CR is created. In the bottom also system is showing data was saved. If I click on it, it shows that data was saved. Now this bottom line is known as status bar. In this bottom line, you are going to get all the errors, all the informative message, all the confirmation message, whatever the things are there, it will be given in the status bar, the bottom line only. So here my company is created. So let's go back. Now here you can see there is a list of the companies. Now if you want to search your company from this list, then of course you are going to scroll it down, then it's a time consuming thing. So what we'll do here is click on the position. What system is asking? System is asking just a company. So give a unique code of, like, mention your unique code whichever you describe, that is GT01TG, and click OK. On the very first row, system will bring your company. If I double click on this, it will show me the detail whatever we have mentioned there. Okay. Now can you see this specs and a pencil sign that is used to make the changes? If I click on it, you can see, if I click on it, you can see all the fields are made as a white. But once again, if I click on it, all the fields or both the columns are made as a gray. It means that it's a disabled for us. So, okay. And if you once again click on it, then both the columns will be unable for us. Then this option is to check the details. Okay, if I select one and go to click on this details, it will open the description of it, like it will open the details of it. Then if you click on new entries, you can create a new company. Then next icon is of copy. So let's say if I want to copy the data same as of Ishcraft. So select 01 and select the one, click on copy. So all the things will remain same only. Whatever one or two things you want to change, you can change it there. So you can copy the details. Then the next icon is used to delete. So for an example, if I want to delete the company one, so select here and click on delete, this company will get deleted. And please never delete anything here in the SAP, okay? Because it will not only affect to you, it will affect to the other person also. Because see, this company is craft is not been created by me. Even so, here if I delete it, okay, then the person whose company is there is craft, they will face the issues. And who will delete it, who has deleted it, at what time they have deleted it, all the things you can check here in SAP. So everyone will get to know who is doing this all can't, I can say. Then the next icon is to
So,
make.
ma'am, if they have deleted by mistake or something like that, under that company, so much of data could be stored, right? So, is there any possible way to restore it?
If you will delete the company here, okay, if I select one and click on delete, just the company will be deleted.
Okay.
Company code will remain as it is, and the transaction is done at a company code.
Okay.
Okay, you can create once again company. You have to do the assigning process once again, but transaction will not harm there.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But yes, if you delete company code, then yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then the next option is to make the changes undo. Okay, if I deleted it and instantly if I click on undo, it will take us back all the changes there. Then next icon is to select all. If I click on it, all the rows will be selected. If I click on the next icon, it will just select the what we can say, the lines, the rows which has been seen over there, not next to it. Then if I click on the last second option, it will deselect all the things. And last one is for the configuration help. It means, okay, if I click on this configuration help, system will explain me what is company and all this stuff. Yeah. So this is what your creation of company is. And here we have created a company with the help of the path. Now let me show you how T code works there. So let us go back. All the T codes will only apply on easy access screen, right? So let us mention a T code OX15, which is used to create our company. Enter. It will take us to the same screen there. Okay. And yes, here in the status bar, you can see the T codes are also appearing. OX15 is the T code of this screen. So this is how T codes and path work. T code is just a short command key, nothing else. So that's it. How to create your company. Is it clear? Okay. Now, under our parent company, we have our company code, right? So let's create our company code. So to create your company code, the T code we have to use here is OX02. Okay, and path is almost same. There is no much difference. But instead of define company, this time we'll go to edit, copy, delete, check company code. And here I'm going to create my company code of 4 elements. So I will create it as GT01. So let's follow the path. Go to SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Now, first we went to the first option. This time we need to go to the third option. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Execute it. Go to edit company code data. See, once again we got the same error. Once again, even if you forgot to copy this user ID also, right? It's totally fine. Just click on no. Go back to easy access screen. Mention a T code as SM12. Remove this username, just keep it blank, okay, and click on this search. So we have 17 user IDs. So just select all, click on delete, delete all. Now go to new window and do the same process. Go to SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, execute, edit, copy, delete, check company code, edit company
Madam,
data.
madam, this deletion will not affect the one you who is using the
No,
screen.
no, no, no. We have just unlock ourselves, nothing else.
Oh,
They will be doing the same thing. It won't affect them. So here, these are the company codes created by other users. Okay, now here, all these icons will remain same only everywhere. Okay, so I'm not going to explain you all these icons once again. You have to just keep in your mind nowadays. So what is this screen for? It's a change view for company code. You can create a new company codes, or whatever company codes you have created, you can make the changes in it. The only thing is you can't change the unique code which you have given to your company code. Otherwise, other things you can change. So let's go to new entry. So here you have to give a unique code for your company code. So that is GT01. See, GT01 is used by other users. So already it is giving me in a drop down. So I can't use it. Unique code, it should be unique. So we need to change our code instead of GT01. Let me try TG01. See, no result found. No one has used this code. So let us make us TG01. Mention your company name. It's a global tech. City, it's a Mumbai. Country, here also you can pick, go to search option and pick your country. Your currency. Yes, one more thing. Wherever you get this tick mark sign on any of the field, right here in SAP, that is a sign of mandatory. Like whenever you fill any application form, right, we do have a mandatory star, that red star over there, that reflects a mandatory over there. So here in SAP, this tick mark reflects the mandatory. So currency, go to search. Sorry.
if any currency is not there in the drop-down box, can a functional consultant
Sorry,
create?
sorry. First of all, whoever is saying this, I'm not able to hear you properly. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes, it's
Now you
much
can hear
better.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for letting me know. If any currency is not there in the drop-down box, can a functional consultant create on his own, or he need to reach out to technical?
No, we need to reach out to the technical, and all the currencies will be there.
If, for example, I'm saying if any new
Then, yes,
country
you need to reach
create
out to
currency,
the technical person, to the basis person.
okay.
So, yes, let's pick our INR. Which language we are using here? Go to search option. We are going to pick the language as in English. So here, what all details we have mentioned, company code. We have given a unique code to our company code as TG01, company name Global Tech, city Mumbai, country India, currency INR, and language as in English. Now let's save the data. When you save it, system is asking the title. Title is what? It's a company only. Name, it's a global tech. Search term also global tech. Like if whenever in the future if you want to search this, then with what name you are going to search it. I'm going to search it with the company's name. Mention the address of our company. So Sigma IT Park, house number 321, postal code 4005. I'm just mentioning any company's address. Okay, you guys can do the same. Any random address you can mention there. City, it's a Mumbai. Country, it's in India. Region means state here. So region is Maharashtra. So region code only system will fetch. That is 13. PO box, I don't know. So I'm just mentioning any 6-digit number. Postal code 400059. Language English. If you have telephone number, you can mention it. Okay. Then email ID globaltech@gmail.com. Okay, and click on this green tick mark. So now once again system asked me prompt for customizing request. So what I will do now, once again I will create a new CR so that whatever configuration I will be doing for this particular company code, it will remain in this CR only. So let's go to create request. So here I'm going to create it as Global Tech TG01. So I'm mentioning my company name as well as the company code TG01 and save it. So new CR is generated and click OK. So with this, my company code is also created. In the bottom, it shows data was saved. So here with this, my parent company and my company code, both of them are created. Any doubt up to this? Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
here, while creating a company and while creating a company code, we have not mentioned a single details which tell our system that this particular company code belongs to the same parent company. Have we ever mentioned the details of anything that which links each other?
No.
How system will get to know?
Through codes.
If system will get to know that this particular company code TG01 is a subsidiary company of Global Tech, right? Then only we can use that company for a consolidation purpose. So it's an assignment for you guys to find out how to assign each other there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then try to create two. It's just a matter of 5 minutes thing. Okay. Not even five. You can create these two things in a minute. Okay, but once try to create in your systems. Okay, and also try to find out how to link your company and company code. The answer is there in the path which I already given to you. Okay, now it's up to you how you guys can find it out.
Ma'am, can you tell once again how should we avoid deleting other people's companies? Like, what all things should we keep in mind that this should not be done so that
Just
others' data is not disturbed?
see, just never select this and never click on this delete option. It will not get deleted.
Okay,
This is the only way to delete.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that's it for today. We'll be meeting tomorrow with the same timing. 8:30. Sorry, on Monday we'll be meeting.
Do we have class on Monday, madam? Ma'am,
I'm not sure, but whatever will be the update, it will be given in your group. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
I got that server today.
Then install it.
But there is a issue in my internet. So can you please tell on Monday?
Sure, but if there is an issue in your internet, then I won't be able to do it.
No, ma'am. Today is only
Okay,
problem
today only. Yeah.
because
Sure.
weather is not good now.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. We can try on Monday. But before
Yeah.
it, try to do it with the YouTube video which you got it. Okay. Still, if you won't be
Okay.
able to do it, then I can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Okay, then. Bye bye, everyone. Have a good night. We'll be
Um,
meeting on
Bye
Monday.
bye. Have a
Happy
nice weekend.
weekend.
Night. Good
Bye.
night, man.
Happy weekend, everyone.